Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For the people who are already subscribed to my channel, and for the people who are recently found my channel, a hearty welcome to this channel. I hope you learned something new in electronics from this channel. On this channel, my name is Padharthisaiyashwardhan, and on this channel I share my electronic knowledge with you all. Now with this out of the way, let's come on to the topic of today's video, which is nothing but how you're going to install the KICAD software easily in your system. Already I have installed it, but I will be giving you a step-by-step instruction in an easy manner, such a way that if you are installing it for the first time also, you will have no problem installing it. To do that, first of all, open any web browser of your choice. I will be in this tutorial, I will be using the Chrome browser. You can use any web browser of your choice like Mozilla, Firefox, Internet Explorer, everything, it works the same. In the search bar, type KiCad download. KiCad download. In this KiCad download, once you click on this download, you get various links that you will every time get. In this, go for download. By clicking on this link, you can directly be shifted to the download part. If you want to explore what is KiCad and what all, you need to go for KiCad schematic capture and PCB. This opens your KiCad website for you. In this website, before I explain how you are going to download, some of the important things are it has a blog post where they discuss what are the latest developments that are happening with KiCad. In Discover, you can easily find out. You have some tutorials already available on how you can do schematic capture, PCB designing with this, how you can view a 3D of your PCB in this software, how the spice simulation works and all. And in the community, you have various community events that KiCad is organizing, like Discord. KiCad has a Discord, its own Discord server, KiCon, which is nothing but one of the community events held by KiCad, where anyone can show their PCBs that is made using KiCad software. And to clarify you one thing, friends, this is not a sponsored video by KiCad. I am making this on my end only. I'm just explaining this website for you, and then you are having help where you can get started. You can get some help from the software on how what are the documentations available, what is system requirements are required, etc. Then you can contribute, like if you want to contribute any bugs, you can go for this. If you find any kind of violation in the code of conduct, you can complain here. Then you can go for sponsorship. You can go for libraries, like sometimes the KiCad we need to install the third-party libraries. They all you can find it here. You can go for. You have a store also where KiCad you can go for its merchandise. Enough with the KiCad software. Now let us go into the downloading part. To do that, just click on the middle option. Click download. Okay. So yeah. In the download, the moment you're clicking on download, a window like this will appear. As my laptop has Windows operating system, I go for Windows. If you are using a Mac OS, you should go for Mac OS. If you are using a system which has a Linux operating system, you can forgo this. It's based on your own thing. And also, if you want to install from the source code, as KiCad is an open source software, if you are willing to install it from the source code, you need to click on this link. As I will be installing directly on operating system, I click on Windows. The moment I click on Windows, a window like this, page like this will appear. Here, based on your location from where you are accessing the KiCad or where you are installing, you need to go with the corresponding links. Like for example, I am from India, so I will be going with the Asiatic point of view. But if you are from anywhere elsewhere from the world, you can go for go according to your requirements. All these are your thing. You can even see what are the previous series, what are the developments that have happened. Okay, let me go with any of this, any of the board. You can select any of this thing, and this is a thing that's an optional thing for you. If you want to donate anything, you can donate. Otherwise, you can absolutely ignore this everything. And down you are having the name, your issuer, who is issuing your the software, the serial number of your license, etc. And everything is available on the internet. You can go for it. And now let's wait till it get downloaded, and once it get downloaded, I'll get back to you on how to install it. I hope friends you are following along with me. If you are following this video and doing installing on side by side, I request you to pause the video where at the point you are stopped, download the software and then follow my video. If any point you have any doubt, you are always free to comment that down below. And if you are working on any project and you need my help, you are always free to approach me in the mail ID given this in the description box. Also, if you are electronic enthusiast like me, you can join the Facebook group and Telegram group, whose links also are kept in the description box. Also friends, if you are liking my explanation and the way I'm explaining this tutorials or these videos, please consider subscribing the channel and also share this video with your friend, so that we build a community of electronics where everyone learns something new. So it is taking time. Once it gets installed, I will get back to you. So now the software got installed, as you can see here. Just click on this and I will be opening it in the folder where it has got installed. As you can see, I have various kinds of installed here. Now just once your software get downloaded, just click on this installer. The moment you are clicking on the installer, it takes time to load up. See, it's verifying the installer, and the interface like this will appear. So now, first step in this, it will show you that this installer will guide you through the installation of KiCad so and so 9.0.6, and just click next to continue. Then it will ask me whether you want to install KiCad software for all the users that whose account who is going to access your laptop, or only for you, only for me, or you want to install it for everything. I just go for only for me. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and then I'll click next. Then it will ask me what it will show the components that needs to be installed, and it also provide you with the space that is required for the installation, which is 5.7 GB. And if you are feeling that some kind of thing is not required, you can just deselect it and click next. Then it will ask you the destination folder where you want to store this file. I'll be storing it in the KiCad 9.0. I will click install. Once I click on install, the software will get to install, and let me wait till it gets option. So friends, and do share your experience on how you are feeling about about this video till now. And I promise friends, I will be regular from now, and I will be uploading a lot of videos on PCB designing, antenna simulation or HFSS, and various other topics in electronics. Just stay tuned to this channel. Let's wait till this gets installed. It does not take much time. Once it gets installed, let's continue. Also friends, if you are getting any background noise from my side, please ignore it. I'm recording it in my home, and there may be a little background noise from my side. Just ignore that. Also, friends, if any of you have any doubts in any topic related to electronics, you are always free to ask me in the comment section below. And if you want any particular video on any particular topic in electronics, please consider me your friend, and you can ask it free, and I try to provide you the material regarding that. And if anyone wants to discuss their project with me or the problem they are facing in the project that they are doing, you are always free to mail me in the mail id given in the description box. Also, if you are a familiar and electronic enthusiastic like me who wants to share their electronic knowledge or their project, you are always free to join in the Facebook group and Telegram group. You can find a community where all the electronic engineers share their knowledge among themselves. Do consider following them if you are interested in the thing. So let's wait till it gets installed. So friends, hello. So friends, now my installer has installed the software, and you can deselect this. If you are selecting this, it means that it will automatically launch the software that is already loaded. But if you don't want, if you want to launch it yourself, you can just deselect it and click finish. Now the installation has been finished. Now you can open the software and you can see. You may ask me, Yashwardhan, there are two icons that are available. So what, as I already told, this is a previous version which I already worked with. So it's already installed on my laptop, and this is a new version that I have gotten. You can just, if I don't want it, I can just remove this. I know this is a new version, right? So I just click on the new version. Like click on it, and I think like this will appear. As I worked with some KICAD project in the past, so it's displaying here. As I don't want it, I can just click on fresh new project. It will ask me to the space where I want to do it, but you can just close it. Let me just do one thing. Let me just go here, go to, yeah, where it is. Yeah, just I will go and I click on this and I do close the file. So this is once if your software is perfectly installed, you can get a interface like this. Please ignore the previous interface because I have opened the KiCad file in the previous version that what it got displayed. But please ignore it, and this is just a thing you have. So yeah, friends. So friends, I hope you have gained a good understanding on how easily you can install the KiCad software in your system. If you have any doubt at any point, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Also, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing the channel, and also share it with your friends if you feel it is useful for some people. And also try to ask your queries in a respectable manner in the comment section below, or in the mail id when you are asking me, or in the groups, Telegram or Facebook group, when you are posting it down, because let us create a community where everyone learns from one another and develop in a good manner. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video, and I'll meet you again in a new video with a new topic. Until then, stay tuned to this channel, and do stay tuned to this channel because I will be uploading a video series on developing different designs on developing different PCB designing. Thank you, friends, and have a nice day.